Lighting's not great, just gonna have to deal with it. It's fine. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, guess what? I finished my summer reading. That's not true. I have to do 3 books and I've done 2 of them, but the last book is like 80 pages long. So we're getting there. I have 2 days to do it. Actually, more like tomorrow because school starts on Wednesday. But you know what? I'll get it done. Whatever. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a fun day. A lot of people started school today. Maybe you did. If you did, hopefully it went well. Hopefully there's something positive about it. You know, we'll look on the bright side. Why not? Well, obviously, since it's like mid-ish August, I guess something around there. That's when all the back-to-school videos are going on. So we're making a back-to-school try-on video haul thing. Because, you know, what you wear in the summer is very different than what you wear during school because the dress code. And obviously, at least at my school, we can't wear, well, actually, we can't wear a lot of things, but especially not like short shorts or like, what are these called? Like the spaghetti straps. We can't wear any of that stuff. Anyway, had to get new clothes for back to school because guess what? Adolescence makes you grow, so... And you know what? I've probably grown about 4 or 5 inches. I needed new pants. So I would have something to wear to school because if you don't wear pants to school, expelled. I'm gonna avoid that by getting some new pants and some other stuff that's just good to have. So let's start with Pacsun because I'm gonna show and try on the clothes in order of like the store, which is what most people do, like in most haul videos, but you know, I'm doing that too because I like it. It's cohesive and it makes sense. So let's start with Pacsun. So the first thing is this.
What even is this?
It's a sweater designed by Kendall and Kylie Jenner. You know, with their whole like Kendall and Kylie thing at Pacsun if you shop there. And I don't know, it's pretty cropped, but it's really cute and I like it. I also don't even know if this is how you like do a haul. Like, do you say if you like it? Do you say how much it costs? Do you talk about the texture? The texture is soft. I don't know, so we're just gonna wing it. Next thing I got, these are my new official favorite jeans. These are from the like John Galt thing or whatever part, like, you know, the Brandy Melville section in Pacsun, if that makes sense. These are from there. And these, I think they're supposed to be high-waisted, but I just got a bigger size because I don't even know. I just liked the way the bigger size fit on my hips. So these are these. They're cute. They don't have zippers, only buttons, which makes it a little bit difficult to put on, but that's okay. Also from Pacsun, I got these white
cargo pants.
I had to actually return them initially and get a different size because the size was like too small, which is weird because normally I wear that size, but then it didn't fit, which is annoying because, you know, women's sizes, they're just annoying. And then I got this blouse thing, which I'm gonna wear tomorrow for our senior like yearbook pictures because we have to wear like a formal outfit. And you know, blouses are formal and I can't wear any of my oversized t-shirts, which is a little bit rude, but whatever. Then the next thing, it's basically the same thing as that shirt, except it's the dress form of the shirt. So this is this dress. I'm not the biggest fan of like dresses, but I also kind of like wearing dresses to get dressed up. Also, normally I wouldn't get a white dress because white is dangerous. Except, for whatever reason, for seniors you're supposed to wear white. So I have a bunch of little like events later this year that I have to wear a white dress for because I'm a senior. Why can't we wear black? On to the next store. Surprisingly, there's only one thing from Urban Outfitters because, you know, Urban Outfitters just, I love that store. Anyway, I got this neon green Billie Eilish oversized, that's not really oversized, shirt that has her little snake thing on it, and then it says, when we all fall asleep, where do we go? Who knows? But this is actually from the men's section, and it's a men's medium. It fits like a women's small, so that's a little bit confusing, but whatever. It's cute. I like it. I can wear it with biker shorts and be that wannabe trendy person, so that's fun. And then from Brandy Melville, I ordered these, what are these? Gray biker shorts, because I have the ones in black and I like them. So I ordered the gray ones because I can't just wear black all the time. Then I got these plaid pants because these are in dress code, luckily. These are soft, they're cute, they're fun, they're plaid pants. We all love a good plaid pant. I also got this matching polo shirt thing so I can look matchy-matchy.
Because I love that.
So I don't know if I'll actually wear this with the matching pants, but you know, in case I'm really feeling it, if I'm feeling bold, then I can do that. And then I got another pair of plaid pants. These ones don't have like a button and zipper. They're just like you pull them up and you're ready to go, and that's the easiest type of pants ever.
Like ever.
So these are all good. They're all nice and fun. Then finally, we got these bold, nice and blue cargo, what is this pattern? Not pattern, the like material corduroy pants. These are very bold and I'm terrified that they're gonna bleed over everything in the wash. So that's that. The next store is Athleta, and you know, I needed leggings because I'm lacking workout clothes, and you know, with some things you can wear like multiple times without having to wash them, like not in a gross way,
But like,
if you wear a pair of jeans for an hour and you're not like running around in them, you probably can wear them another time. But with workout clothes, you know, even like for 45 minutes, if you're doing like SoulCycle or whatever, you can't, I mean, you theoretically could, but you want to wear a new pair of leggings each time you do it. So I waited till Athleta had their semi-annual sale so I didn't have to spend $89 per legging type or whatever. So I ended up getting these all for like about $23 to $25-ish because I waited till the sale. So here are the leggings that I will be wearing. These ones I love. They're a little bit wrinkled because they were in the laundry basket, but that's okay. They're like gray and color blocked. These things are super high-waisted, which is really nice because I love high-waisted things. And then these ones are just, what color type of blue is it? Is it like cerulean? That's not cerulean. I kind of just wanted to say the word cerulean, even though I'm pretty sure this is not cerulean. Is that even how you pronounce that color? Don't know. Whatever. These ones are nice because they have like this little zippered pocket here. You can store like a car key in and a credit card, and that's about it. These ones I think are my favorite because these are just simple. But these ones I like because there's no seam thing on the side. There's just one like inseam. And then these ones are a little bit more heavy duty. These are like a base layer for like winter sports. So I'll use these for like the first layer for skiing because that's something I do. So those are fun. And finally, from American Eagle, I got these two skirts, which are in dress code. This is the first skirt. It's striped and it's peach. It's like one of those wraparound skirts. It's pretty cool. I like it. It's fun. And then the last skirt and the final item of this haul is this paper bag waisted, high-waisted thing skirt. That's plaid. Just has a simple tie thing. And guess what? That's the end of the video. Hope you had a fun time. Hope you liked this haul video. I love haul videos, and maybe you do, maybe you don't. If you don't, well, at least you made it to the end, so
thank you.
But anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Go click the thumbs up button. Go click the subscribe button if you're feeling it. I will see you in my next video. Bye.